Quick egg, cucumber, carrots, eggs sandwich recipe for tea time. Ingredients: 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1/3 cup chopped carrot, 1/3 cup chopped cucumber, 2 tablespoons green onions, 2.5 tablespoons mayonnaise, black pepper and salt to taste, soft butter, slices of bread. Boil and peel the eggs. Start by placing the eggs in a saucepan and covering them with water. Bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let the eggs cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. After boiling, remove the eggs from the water and allow them to cool. Once cooled, peel off the shells and set the eggs aside. Chop the vegetables. While the eggs are cooling, prepare the vegetables. Wash and peel the carrots, then finely chop them into small pieces. Cut the cucumber into thin slices, and then dice them into small pieces. Chop the green onions as well. Ensure all the vegetables are finely chopped for an even distribution in the sandwich filling. Mash the eggs, take the boiled eggs, and place them in a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, mash the eggs until they are broken into small, bite-sized pieces. Don't mash them too finely. A little texture is perfect for this sandwich. Combine the filling. To the mashed eggs, add the chopped carrots, cucumber, and green onions. Sprinkle salt and black pepper to taste. Add 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the mixture and stir well. Ensure all the ingredients are fully combined, creating a creamy and flavorful filling. Butter the bread. Take your slices of bread and spread a thin layer of soft butter on one side of each slice. The butter adds flavor and prevents the bread from becoming soggy once you add the filling. Make sure to spread the butter evenly across the entire slice. Assemble the sandwich. Once the butter is spread on the bread, take one slice and generously spread the egg and veggie filling onto the buttered side. Be sure to cover the entire slice with the filling for a uniform taste in every bite. Place the second slice of bread, buttered side down, on top of the filled bread slice, pressing gently to hold the sandwich together. Trim and cut. Optionally, you can trim the crusts off the sandwich for a neater presentation. This step is especially nice if you're serving the sandwiches for a tea party or gathering. After trimming, use a knife to cut the sandwich into quarters or halves, depending on your preference. Serve and enjoy. Your delicious and healthy egg cucumber carrot sandwich is now ready. Serve immediately or chill in the fridge if preparing ahead. These sandwiches are perfect for tea time or as a quick snack any time of the day. Enjoy!